Hello class 2. I hope you're fine. So last what we did the chapter article. I have explained you the chapter and I hope that you have all gone through the chapter. Now I am here to explain the classwork. What you will do, you will open your classwork exercise books of English language. I will start the second terminal classwork because article is the chapter of the second terminal. So you will open your English language classwork exercise book. You will write second terminal like this in the page. You will write second terminal. Okay. Then from the next page you will start writing the topic which I'll give. Now in this video I will explain you the classwork which you will do, and in the Google Classroom you will get the PDF file. You will just open the PDF file, you will get all the notes, you will just copy it down in your CW exercise book. Okay? Then after the CW exercise will complete, I will upload homework. What you will do that homework in your holiday homework exercise book. Okay class, this I am explaining you. You will do this in CW exercise book. So first you will write second terminal. Then I am reading it. First you will give the headings, articles A and the. This will be the heading. I'll request all the children to write it neat and clean. Now you will write article. The three important words in English language, a, an and the, are known as articles. An article is a word used to customize a noun which is a place, person, object or idea. There are two different types of articles, definite and indefinite articles. So I have explained to you in the chapters all this. Here in this process you have to write articles, put semicolon, give a hyphen, write the definition. Then in the next paragraph you have to write an article is a word and this definition. So there are two different types of articles. Okay, now where we use a and the. These three uses I have written. A and an are the indefinite articles and the is a definite article. A is used before common nouns which are in singular number and which begin with a consonant. Example, a boy, a tree, a cat, etc. An is used before a common noun which are in singular number and begin with a vowel sound. What are vowels? In the brackets I have written A, E, I, O, U. Now example, an elephant, an umbrella, an inkpot, etc. Next comes the. The is used before particular nouns. Example, the sun shines in the sky. So these are the examples and the three uses. A and the. Okay. So this is the definition, two types of article, how a and the is used. This you have to do it in one page. Okay. After this definition portions, you will draw an ending line. Okay. Now, after drawing an ending line, you will go to the next page to start off with the exercises. We have to do exercises, so you have to go in the next page to start off in the exercises. This is exercise number 1. Write the correct articles a and the before each nouns. Now, exercise number 1. This will be in the new page. The definition portion in the new page, this exercise in the new page. These all you have to do it in your, CW exercise book. This is the starting of the second terminal. Very good. Now number 1 is dash igloo and igloo. Number 2 is dash banana, a banana. Number 3 is dash tree, a tree. Dash inch, an inch. Dash eagle, an eagle. Dash kitten, a kitten. Dash owl, an owl. Dash tiger, the tiger. Dash bench, the bench. Dash soccer ball, a. After finishing this exercise, you will draw ending line and underline all this with the help of a scale. I'm requesting all the children to do the CW properly in your CW exercise book using a sharpened pencil, scale. Use it, do it with neat and clean handwriting, see the PDF file, copy it down, and in the next video I'll post more CW, you will finish it off. After the CW will be over, I will upload PDF file of homework exercises. You have to do those homework in your holiday homework exercise book. Okay class, thank you for today. We'll see you in the next class. Okay, bye, take care.